So here you can see that I have a picture, and let's say what you want to do is desaturate some parts of the picture and saturate out other parts of the picture. So for that, you can actually go ahead and utilize something called the sponge brush tool. So to do that, you can simply go around onto the pixel section right here, and over here on the left hand side, you can simply go around over here and then click and hold the adjustment brush right here. And here you will find the sponge brush tool. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, now what I can simply do is I can brush and then something happens. You can see that I get more saturated areas right here as I brush out right here. That is because I am in the saturate mode. You can also go for desaturate. So you want to go ahead and desaturate out something right here. You can simply go ahead and click and drag and the areas will be desaturated. You can go ahead and change the flow of the desaturation as well. Click and drag it and then the areas will be desaturated just like this. So this is what you have, and apart from it, you can also go around and enable vibrance so that the weak colors right here can be saturated. So you can go around over here, you can see that you can draw and weak colors right here can be saturated right here. Or you can go for the hues saturation luminance section right here to go ahead and have a more harsh saturation as you draw around. So you want to go ahead and saturate or desaturate section of an image right here just like this. You can go ahead and utilize the sponge tool just like this, the sponge brush tool that is. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the sponge brush tool as you need inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.